Good afternoon from Grand Family Farm. It's about 4:15, January 14th, 2025, and Lisa just milked Bella. Bella's curious what's going on in there. This will be Bella's pen for when she has the babies, which I'm not for sure exactly when that's going to be. Curious goat. Yeah, I milked her a little bit earlier because got one of the grandkids inside and parents have to go somewhere, so Bella got milked a little early and I fed a little bit early, so everybody be happy. And it's nice to see the sun. Been a pretty decent day today. It's a little cloudy, but not too bad. Hopefully tomorrow's as good. Can't wait for spring.